change anything. Pero ang sa akin po is that I can do something. Yun nga po yung like ko sinasabi na every time I pray, sabi ko, Lord, although I am different in their eyes, but let me just make a difference in their life. Yun po yung ano ko. Yun po yung
Alam mo, paiyakin ako,
Oh
no?
my God! Even if I am different in their eyes, let me make a difference in their lives.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
So
sige.
I choose to live as an inspiration to. Yak ako. Oo, gawin.
Tuloy mo, labas mo.
That is just my
Alright. Now, this contest, Romel, nabasa mo ba sa internet yan? Sa ano pa yan?
Well, somebody from Cebuana Luguilira Pera Padala branch approached me and he said that sabi niya, sir, sorry. Go ahead.
Tubig lang. Pero ang ino-order ko eh. Tubig lang, pinapatawa ko lang. Go ahead, Romel.
In-approach niya ako, then sabi niya sa akin, sir, sabi niya she was a acquaintance lang. Nung college days kami, nagkikita kami, pero hindi kami that close. Pero ano siya, she approached me, sabi niya sa akin, sir, I was so inspired by you. So, there was this search, sir, and I want to nominate you to be one of the,
Okay. Eto pa, iyak pa si
Nilipitan ka ng tiga Louis din. Partner with your indulgence, puputulin kita yan. Magbabalik tayo para hindi tayo one ng listener. Marami lang tayo utang partner.
Sige,
Bago kayo
tuloy natin ang kwento ni Romel.
Ika nga ni Kuya Boy. Susunod. Wag ko kayo nga alis, ha? Oras natin,